Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I guide people in the stock market. I teach people about the stock market. I tell them the stocks to buy. I tell them the stocks to sell. My aim is simple, to help us grow rich. Today's topic is the costs involved. Well, investing in the stock market is a business like any business. There are costs to bear. If you're running a business, you need to pay rent. You need to pay license. You need to pay taxes. You need to pay employees. Employees need to pay for their medical costs. And so generally there are a number of costs to bear when running a business. Stock market is a business like any other business. There are taxes to be paid and there are commissions to be paid. So if you have money that you want to invest and the money is less than 100,000, the tax is 2.1%. This you need to pay. When you buy, you pay a tax of 2.1%. When you sell, you pay a tax of 2.1%. So in total, you'll pay a tax of about 4.2% if you have less than 100,000. If you have more than 100,000, the tax is reduced. It is 1.8%. When you buy, you pay a tax of 1.8%. When you sell, you pay a tax of 1.8%. Total is 3.6%. So then, how do you make profit? Then they need to buy a stock, and the stock grows by more than those tax bracket. Let's say the share need to grow by more than 4%. If it grows to 10%, you can sell and make 6% profit. If it grows to 20%, you can sell and make 16% profit. So you're buying and selling, you need to make a profit more than 4% for you to be able to make gains in the stock market. You need to buy Safaricom, let's say is 40 shillings. If it goes to 45, you sell. Buy ABS at 8 shillings. If it goes to 10 bob, you sell. So that your gains should be more than 4%. Your gains should be more than the taxes for you to make profit in the stock market. So the hidden costs are those 2%, 2.1% if you have less than 100,000, and 1.8% if you have more than 100,000. And the other tax you need to pay is withholding tax. If you get dividends, for example, these companies give dividends. Safaricom gives dividends, BAT gives dividends, East African Brokerage gives dividends, Cope gives dividends, Total gives dividends, Dam gives dividends, Capchorwa gives dividends. Many of these companies give dividends. About 20 or so companies give dividends. And by the way, if you want to invest and just be getting dividends, then you can be buying and just wait for the dividends. And so when you get dividends, there is a withholding tax of 5% that you must pay. Or rather, you will be given the dividends when that withholding tax 5% has been deducted. So those are the two costs that you need to pay for. Withholding tax when you get dividends, and commissions when you buy, and commissions when you sell. Inside that commission, there is excise duty, there is KRA taxes, there is the brokerage fee, and a number of other fees that are involved. So ladies and gentlemen, some people say, how do you avoid these taxes? Well, you can't avoid the taxes. It is part of the game. You only learn to live with it. Itabidi uzoee. Taxes is there. It is part of the game. Government need tax to pay the soldiers, to pay teachers, to build infrastructure, and to do all these things. Taxes you must pay. It is part of the game. There's nothing you can do. The only thing you can do is be smart. Be smart. Buy a stock that must increase by more than the tax rate. It must increase by 10%. It must increase by 15%. It must increase by 20%, so that you remove the 4% taxes and eat the balance or eat the profits. If you buy a stock and it doesn't increase by more than 4%, you lose. If you buy a stock and it goes down, you lose. So you need to be smarter in your trades. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. If you have questions, please comment below. I will be able to answer your questions in the next video. If you're new to this channel, click the red button, subscribe. If you're new here again, join our Telegram group. That's why we ask questions and answer and guide people deeply regarding the stock market. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Subscribe. Bye.